Hey, it's me, Naturally TC, coming at you with this braid two-strand twist pin up video. You guys go ahead and like and subscribe, hit that bell so you get your reminders when I post my videos. I'm really on a binge to, y'all pray with me, post every day for 60 days. Y'all, if you believe in the power of prayer, please pray with me that I'm able to do this. I am challenging myself in several different areas, even with my eating. If this is just some side note information about myself, I've been pescatarian for like a year and a half. That means basically my meat portion of my diet is just seafood. I've tried to cut out like shrimp and stuff because I know y'all heard that they're the cockroaches of the sea. So yeah, I'm trying to cut that out. But I'm challenging myself in business. I'm challenging myself in the way that I eat. So health-wise, my exercise, and also mentally, I'm reading one book a week. And this is my challenge to myself for 90 days. So I need the prayers of the righteous to avail much because I need to do this, y'all. It's just about me. It's not about anybody else. If I, fail one day and don't do it completely through, it's okay because it's just me. But I'm not going to quit until the end. So even if I have some hiccups along the way, I'm still going to get to the 90 days, even though I'm pretty sure it won't be perfect. But anyway, so I'm trying to get these videos out. I'm doing 60 days of video a day. And if it's not a hair video, I will share an inspirational video, something from the Word of God to bless us, and just things that I've been studying even along this detox to just get to a higher place in general, in God and in my place in this world. Just want to be better out here. So, focus story on this video. So I am doing a braid twist style on this young lady. Now her hair, she deals with, I want to say like psoriasis. She has a little bit of eczema on her skin. So you will see when I do my braids, I know a lot of braiders use like what do you call, like an edge control, basically some type of paste to braid with. But I'm not going to use that on her scalp because her scalp already has enough issues alone. So I don't want to add any more buildup to that. But you will see I will put twisting cream on the ends when I go in for my two-strand twist. So all I'm doing is braiding and then twisting. And as you can see, I've broken her hair off into sections prior, which makes it so much easier, y'all. I don't know. I know some people don't section, don't detangle before they braid and all of that. But I'm telling you, for me, it makes it definitely easier for me to get through the process. Also, it kind of develops you a pattern for how you do things. And so if you have a certain pattern to how you do, like this is my pattern for this style, I'll go through, detangle, section it, pre-section it, and then I'm blow drying each section as I go, as far as braiding and twisting, because each section is a section by itself on this particular style. So I don't have to, blow dry the whole head first and then go back. I could do it section by section. So yeah, there's your tip and trick for this video. Like, develop patterns for your main hairstyles. Like, this is a style that I do often. If a client wants a pin up, there are different variations, but you should have like a pattern to how you do it. Even with your haircuts or anything that you do, there should be a specific way that you are able to execute the process, which makes it easier for you because you're just duplicating the same thing over again. So what happens is you get faster at it. So I'm pretty fast as far as my timing for styles. People are always like, oh, that didn't take long. And that is one of the things that I contribute my time to, is having a pattern on the way that I do things and just trying to repeat it, which is not easy for me because I'm not the type of person that does the same thing all the time the same way. I'm the type of person that changes her living room furniture around once a month. Okay, like once every 2 months. Oh, I'm gonna move something around. I'm gonna either change my bedroom, the living room, do something. Something gotta be different. So I am not, that type that's like really, to keep a regimen about things. But with this, I do find that if you develop a pattern that you can follow consistently, it definitely will help you with your time. All right. So, yeah. So if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. And of course, I will try to address them in following videos. I'm going to fast forward this because all I'm going to do is continue to braid the sections, and then in the middle section there's 3 sections. I'm going to 2-strand twist all the middle, and then you'll see on the other side I'm just going to do the same braid pattern as this side. So braids on the sides, 2-strand twist in the middle. I'm not sure, I may have used rubber bands on this client. So what I'll do is pull the 2 sides up, and either I will twist the ends of them to keep them together and then pin them, or put rubber bands around the ends of them and then pin them. I may have used rubber bands on her because she's a little bit younger, and I wanted to help the style stay a little bit longer for her, because they may not, the younger they are, the less conscious they are about keeping their hair. So yeah, so I pin it up, and then that gives I'm telling you, y'all, this, if I can't wait. Okay, so I'm growing my hair back out, yes, again, and this time I'm gonna be natural for real for a long time. I'm gonna try to rock with y'all with these twist outs and do some styles on my hair because I think that's needed. But while I'm growing it out, I will be wearing some wigs, and after I grow it out, I will be wearing some wigs. So, but what was my point for saying that? Shoot, I'm telling you, I wish I could hear y'all when I be doing these voiceovers so y'all could say what I was saying last. Cause see, I forgot what I was saying last. I was talking about doing my hair, keeping it twisted. Oh man, I'm so sorry, y'all. I forgot. So I am using like a little edge control on her edges, even though I did speak about her skin condition. It just won't be right if you don't slick up these edges, y'all. And I got some really good edge control. It will be on the market soon. My naturals love it. It's super good, like super good. Oh, see, I'm kind of braiding it up in the back. I don't think that's how I left it though. Let me see. Because I don't think that would stay. Yeah, I ain't leave it like that. Excuse me. Let's see. I was trying some different ways how I was going to keep this hair up, because I think we did a really big cut on her hair because she had some damage, and we wanted to go ahead and get that off. But as you see, I'll be trying different ways to get this taken care of. I'll just gotta play with it a little bit and then pin it up in the middle. But anyway, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all for watching my videos. I got a comment on my last video from someone who says she's been following me for years, and that really touched my heart. And I really wish I let me see what her name is. Hold on. Okay, I think her name is Wani Jeffrey, and she has some numbers after her name. But she made a comment on my last video that she'd been watching me for years, and that really touched my heart, y'all. I really appreciate it because I legit be trying to give out just information to help all us with our natural hair. It's not an easy journey, and I know there's not a ton of stylists, like especially licensed stylists that are in the natural hair business. But our natural hair is really beautiful. We have options. We can do natural, we can do weaves, we can do colors. Like, don't be discriminating against each other. If somebody natural, let them be natural. If somebody got a relaxer, let her be with her relaxer. It's cute. We just need to uplift each other in this season of my life. I am with the peace, the joy, the happiness, the uplifting, okay? So, yeah, y'all like and subscribe. I am coming at you with these videos back to back to back. If you don't catch a hair video, there will be an inspirational video posted instead. I just want y'all to know I love y'all and appreciate y'all. Make sure you like and subscribe, share, tell your friends about this girl on YouTube, the real Tori Christina, also known as Naturally TC, that is coming at you with really great content. Really great content. Happy days, y'all.